Hey everyone, Elias here. We are at the crack of sunset at Mount Woodson, otherwise known as Potato Chip Rock. And we're just gonna do a little bit of flying and see just why it's called Potato Chip Rock. Let's go. So there are currently 3 ways to scale Mount Woodson. The shortest trail is the one I took, which is a 4-mile there and back trek. Now it is a very steep climb with multiple switchbacks, so make sure you pace yourself and keep these guidelines in mind. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.